In this video, we will understand how Google uses the AND operator to provide better and relevant search results for users across the web. Google is a powerful search engine because of the logical operators it uses to interpret search results. Google extensively uses the AND operator between all search terms that users enter in the search box. If user enters search text consisting of multiple keywords or words, then AND operator is by default interpreted to generated searches. Google understand that user want to search websites that comprises of all of these keywords and hence combine them. Additionally, the AND operator is in conjunction with OR operator to provide singular and plural forms of words. For example, shows and movies keyword are interpreted as show or shows and movie or movies. Hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos.